Hey guys, so today we are going to be cleaning this Proteus Hybrid that's been tested for 17,000 plus hours, and today we're going to be doing the treatment for the half side of the light. We're going to be treating it with some acid to dissolve the minerals that's on the surface of the light. It came from the hard water that they used for testing to see how durable the light is under those conditions. So here what we're doing is neutralizing the acid that we put on the surface. We're using a pH balance cleaner to rinse off the acid that we used to basically melt the minerals. So with this part, you can see that the water marks are really crazy on the surface. We even did the half of the light just to show you how easy it is to clean off any hard water stains on the surface. So here's the before and here's the after.